Original Harley Davidson jacket. Ah, very good. Okay, what is range? क्या है roughly?
So 4,000 starting.
4,000 rupees. And this is for just 3,500 rupees. It's a very good price.
Shop is only for pure leather. You want pure leather, so come here. Only pure
Look
leather.
at this. This looks like a designer kind of a leather bag. It looks so beautiful. So even these are for 1,000 rupees around, all of them.
वो like the first चाहिए तो सारी चीजें आपको different. So इसमें 5,200.
So 5,200 for that.
4,500.
So welcome to Unmapped. I'm Mukund, and today is a sunny day here in Mumbai, and we are heading to Dharavi. It is the leather center of Mumbai. So Dharavi is very well known for its leather manufacturing. They manufacture a lot of goods, ranging from shoes to wallets, bags, and then you have like laptop bags, then sleeves, then you have purses, duffel bags, suitcases also. So we are going to Dharavi. The plan today is that we want to buy a couple of things for home. I want to buy a laptop bag for myself. My mother wants to buy something, some purse for herself, and a couple of belts too. So we are heading to Dharavi today to make a nice video to show you guys what the Dharavi market is all about. I will show you some good deals as well. We are going to a person that we have known from a very long period of time, and he's Mr. Ali. He's quite famous on YouTube. He owns a shop called as Leather Museum. So we are going there today. It's a sunny day. We are stuck up in Dharavi traffic right now, and we will meet you when we reach there. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe. It really helps me out. I will do my best to show you even more content if you support me. So let's start. So we have just come to Leather Museum here in Dharavi. So I'll tell you the location where it is. So you can see this is the main Dharavi main road, and if you go straight ahead from here, you have the science station. So you can just come walking from science station, and you will have Leather Museum here. So you can come here and buy goods as well. So I'm gonna go inside. We want to buy a couple of bags. I want to buy a laptop bag to carry my camera gear inside, and my mother wants to buy a couple of other things. So we've come to Mr. Ali's shop. We know him from quite a long time. So we're going to show you his shop and all of the products he sells. So stay tuned for that, and if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Let's go. This is his shop. These are all the bags he has.
Jacket also is there.
Also jackets.
Completely jacket, totally leather.
He also keeps jackets. Look at this. This is, I think it looks like a nearly original Harley Davidson jacket. And then this is all the different varieties that he has. Quite good designs of leather jackets. There is more variety of women's bags here. You can see that these are all raw hides. These are all raw leather. You know, these are not processed. And then he has your laptop bags here below. We are buying one of them. Look at this one, it's so beautiful. I mean, अली भाई ये वाला कितने का अगर लोग खरीदने आएंगे तो? ये वाला?
How much is this for?
Yes, sir.
कितने का है ये?
35.
35. So this is for just 3,500 rupees. It's a very good price.
So like this.
So he's Mr. Ali, the owner. A very beautiful bag for just 3,500
So
rupees.
inside laptop, everything.
Inside laptop,
paper,
everything can
file,
fit.
and one dress also easily put inside.
How many inch laptop?
So 15.5.
15.5 inches. One Apple laptop can fit inside directly.
Every laptop 14,
15.
15.5. So I'm making a standard size.
Okay, and what is this leather? This is
It's
pure
buffalo
leather.
hide. So sample skin is there.
Sample skin is there. And when is your shop open?
So morning 10:30.
Uh,
Morning 10:30 to 9:30.
9:30. And Monday to Sunday?
Monday to Sunday, every day open.
Every day open.
Every day open.
Okay. These are all the varieties of the leather jackets that he has. Look at this one.
Lots of jacket, lots of design and clothing.
Ah, very good. Okay, what is range? क्या है roughly?
So 4,000 starting.
4,000 rupees. And this suede one?
Original leather. I have only pure leather. I'm a specialist in leather only.
Okay.
Somebody selling non-leather synthetic like after 6 months or 7 months like a peel.
Yes.
So there is not that kind of stuff.
Ah.
Totally original.
Totally
leather.
pure leather. You can
And
see
I'm
this.
making so many celebrities jacket also is there.
Acha, really? Anybody? You know?
Many.
So many. You make custom?
Yeah.
So
Especially
design देंगे तो आप design से भी
by
बना देंगे.
designer.
Okay. So if you give a design to him by a designer, he will make it for you also. Look at this beautiful suede jacket, biking jackets.
And Suede in trend already.
Suede is in trend, he's saying. Yeah. So this is trendy. इसमें गर्मी नहीं लगेगा ना यहाँ तक ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा minimum. So during winter you can wear this jacket. How much है कितने का? 4,200 he's saying. Obviously negotiable. You can come to the shop and negotiate with Mr. Ali.
I have lots of 4,000 to 10,000, but so many different design,
Design.
style, leather quality.
Okay.
But I have only pure leather.
So you are manufacturer also.
Yeah, I'm manufacturing, and this shop is only for pure leather. You want pure leather, so come here. Only pure leather, you will come here. Otherwise, you want imitation synthetic, so
Then
don't
you can
come.
go to the other shops which are there outside. Mr. Ali only deals in pure leather. And look at all the
Everything
trending
I'm
designs.
making, so everything is handmade product.
Handmade product.
Yeah.
So these are all handmade. You can see all designer clothes, all designer Western types of purses he has. You have laptop bags, multiple variety. Then he has cabin bags also below. You can see these are cabin bags. Ali bhai, cabin bag का क्या भाव है?
हाँ, कैबिन बैग में आपको बहुत है, ट्रॉली के साथ चाहिए और लाइक ऑफ डफल्स चाहिए, तो सारी चीजें आपको डिफरेंट तो इसमें 5,200
So 5,200 for that.
4,500
4,500 for duffel bag. This is very unique. It has this
It's a
doctor
latest
kind of
design. Special my creation na, so designer type like of this.
So it opens with that doctor kind of a glass. So this, look at the quality of
The
this.
inside is steel rod.
Steel rods, yeah. And you can easily put stuff inside and carry one day bag. Then he has big variety of belts.
And with a long strap.
Long strap also.
So I have so many varieties.
Different variety. This is color variety here.
Duffel bags like this.
Look at this one, so beautiful. ये बड़ा है ना बहुत?
Big size.
क्या size है इसका?
It's a 22 size, but it's
22 size. Cabin ना? How much?
So 5,500.
5,500 he's saying. Look at this, very beautiful. So nice. Will last you at least 10 years if you use it properly. Then these are all the ladies' purses. This is Birkin. Hermes.
You know Birkin style, yes.
Birkin, yeah. Birkin imitation, yes. Bigger size.
Without logo, without name.
Without logo,
just the
without
design.
name. Yeah, imitation
Article.
of the design. Yes. Look at that. Beautiful. Looks like safari duffel bag. How much?
6,500.
6,500. Why is this is more expensive than black one?
So, actually, leather consumption and workmanship
Is more.
depend on.
And Mr. Ali also has a huge variety of belts also. Ali भाई इसका roughly range क्या रहेगा सब belts का?
Bag, different style.
Look at this safari backpack. Colors, different colors. दोनों का क्या rate? 4,500. So to 4,500 for any one of the two colors. Pure leather.
Life 10 years. Minimum life.
Minimum life 10 years.
Yeah.
He has a huge variety of belts also. I think these are from 1,000 to 1,500 rupees. And then wallets. Mr. Ali has all of the leather goods, all
Yeah,
variety.
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah, pure leather product, everything. Yeah, jacket, belt, wallet, duffel, trolley, air wallet, and ladies sling bag, men's bag, chest bag.
Everything.
So much article is there.
Different articles. Beautiful. Really good.
I have my leather bag, you know that.
Yeah. So these are all the wallets that he has. All, so you can see different varieties. These are the trendy zip wallets which he has. Then you have these ladies wallets. Let me just show you. It's called a clutch, I presume. Quite good quality. Then there are big ones also. Ali भाई ये सब clutch का क्या rate रहेगा?
बहुत अलग
अलग है क्या सब? क्या रेंज बोल दो ना?
रेंज इसमें आपको 700 से लेकर के 1000 तक है.
हाँ, so these are all the clutches that he has, around 700 rupees to 1,000 rupees he's saying.
Nice men's wallet also.
Men's wallet also.
Available. Vintage style.
men's wallet. Huh? And इनका सब prices?
Official wallet. Available.
So even these are for 1,000 rupees around all of them. You have good quality leather, that he uses. He also gives a
This
guarantee. Ali bhai
This kind
guarantee है
of
कोई एक
stuff I'm
साल?
supplying to many brand also.
Really?
There is just very costly, around 2000, but there is 550, 650, 750 enough.
अच्छा इनाम हाँ. And इसका कुछ वारंटी है?
5 years.
5 years वारंटी है.
Yeah.
This will not come out. This color. No. These are laptop sleeves that he keeps. All different variety. A lot of variety Mr. Ali has here. You can see this entire wall is dedicated to laptop bags. I will drop his phone number in the description. You can talk to him when you come here. But great stuff. Look at this one. I think this is designer for sure. So we are probably planning to buy this one, either this one, that one, and all these three. So let me do a deal with him. And tell you what we got today. So Mr. Ali packs it nicely also. Mr. Ali packs it also very nicely in his branded bag, so that while you're transporting it, आप ship भी करते हैं ना बाहर? मतलब ये अपने उसने नंबर दिया.
कांटेक्ट करते तो आपको होम डिलीवरी बाय कोरियर.
So he does all India shipping also.
Yes.
And that's his.
Korea, belt, wallet, everything.
That's what we have purchased.
Like, subscribe and
Yes.
share and visit here.
Okay, yes. That's our car, and this is Mr. Ali's store. Let me just show you his store. This is his main store. Leather Museum. That's his name, Mr. Ali. That's his contact number. And when you want to come here, you can just come walking straight, and then that will be the store there. अच्छा ये 15 इंच भी जाएगा इसमें आराम से. हाँ? different variety है.
shapes आएंगे आपको.
हाँ. क्या प्राइसेस प्राइस रेंज क्या है सबसे
4500.
अच्छा तो 2000 ये सब 2000 है क्या?
हाँ ये 2000.
These are all 2000 the ones he's showing. And एकदम महंगा वाला बताइए.
हाँ दिखाओ.
So huge variety and colors of laptop bags Mr. Ali has here. And these are the more expensive ones which he's showing now. Yeah. So these are the more expensive ones that he's showing now. Yeah. So these are 4,000 rupees he's saying. Look at this. This looks like a designer kind of a leather bag. It looks so beautiful. ये क्या है कुछ बोलते हैं इसको अलग अलग क्या साइज?
इसकी
वैरायटी है अलग अलग.
लैपटॉप बैग की वैरायटी
बहुत है. Unlimited varieties are there. हाँ. So okay great. ठीक है मिस्टर अली भाई बताइए आपका कार्ड वार्ड बता दीजिए. डाल देते हैं वीडियो में. और कुछ यूनिक आइटम है.
धारावी में नंबर 1 पे जाना जाता है लेदर म्यूजियम.
अच्छा.
So leather museum.
Look, he even keeps his card in a small briefcase.
Leather museum very famous in Dharavi.
Really?
Yeah, very famous in not in Dharavi, in Mumbai.
So if you want to come here, you can contact Mr. Ali. This is his number. Phone number है पीछे. Yeah. So this is his number and address. So you can come here Monday to Sunday morning. कितने बजे से?
Morning 10:30 to evening 9:30.
9:30. You can come here and he also has online shopping also. So you can contact on WhatsApp.
अब बाहर बोर्ड का दिखा दें.
बोर्ड देख देंगे.
कस्टमर को वो बोर्ड है ना, वो मेन इम्पोर्टेंट है, उससे यूज करते.
So we are planning to buy this bag. I think this is a leather bag, very nice, very well made. This is for 4,500 he's saying. My mother has bought this bag. You can see behind her. And we have bought a couple of belts. I mean, I'm wearing the belt. I can't show you that. Bought a couple of belts. And we have bought one bag as well. So we have bought 3 things. So there is this sling bag also. How much is saying for the sling bag? So we bought the sling bag also. Very nice. Just look at this cute bag. I mean, it's made out of pure leather and it is very small. I think it's a trendy bag nowadays. And this Mr. Ali is giving for a very reasonable price of 1,200 rupees. And it's raw hide. You can see here that he has kept a piece of this leather outside so that you can see it. You can see that. That's very, very nice. For 1,000, 1,200 rupees, it's a very good bag. And it's real leather, man. I mean, just look at it. And just look at this beautiful jacket. This is suede, right? Suede, and just look at the color of it. So beautiful. And 4.5 for that is not bad. This is his logo. So everything that he sells here in the shop is having his logo inside. Let me just show you. And obviously he makes a brand, so the brand is pretty famous. 100% genuine leather. Look at this one, it's so thick. So great stuff Mr. Ali has here. Great stuff. Look at this jacket. I mean, it looks like Arnold Schwarzenegger jacket. It's so soft, so smooth. ये कौन सा leather है? Lambskin, yeah. So this is a lambskin. This is a lambskin leather jacket. So, but that's why it is so small, soft. So beautiful. So I just realized while editing the video that I had not really shot an outro for the video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video on Dharavi's leather market, especially Mr. Ali's shop. He's a great host and he will show you the entire shop, different qualities of leather, really make you feel as if you're his family member. So please make sure to visit that place. And if you have liked the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and we'll meet each other in the next one. I am Mukund, and take care everyone.